Hello, welcome to the KOAMTAC Introductory Guide for the KDC380 Bluetooth barcode scanner. The KDC380 is the BLE version of the legacy 350 model, featuring BLE 5.0 connectivity, fast and easy NFC pairing for Android, and upgraded USB-C charging. The scanner is available in 3 different 1D or 2D scan engine models and includes optional features such as NFC, RFID reading, or Wi-Fi connectivity. Before we get started, let's see what's in the box. Included with your scanner is a KDC lanyard with belt clip attachment, a Type-C USB cable for charging and data transfer, the KOAMTAC Quick Manual, KDC Mini Guide, and the KOAMTAC On brochure. Also included are optional decals for the scan button, which are raised to promote ease of use. The KDC380 has 3 main buttons for operation: scan, up, and down. At the top are menu, shift, function, and mode. At the bottom are delete and enter. This scanner also features a full alphanumeric keypad for entering number quantities or text when needed. To turn the scanner on, press and hold both the scan and down buttons for approximately 3 seconds. To turn it off, press and hold both the scan and down buttons again for 3 seconds. To access the menu for pairing and configuration options, select Menu and use the arrow keys to navigate to the desired menu choice using Scan to select. To move back a screen, press Menu again. To switch from scanning to entering numbers or text, press Mode to cycle through each option. When in text mode, use the Shift button to switch from upper to lowercase letters as desired, using Scan to enter. The KDC can connect via Bluetooth to your smartphone, tablet, or other device in several ways. It features quick NFC pairing for capable Android devices. You can also connect using KT Sync or one of the Bluetooth pairing barcodes listed in the Quick Manual. Special models of the KDC380 have Wi-Fi connectivity for use with purpose-built servers. For more information, check out the links in the description below. To use the scanner, press the scan button while aiming at the desired barcode. If the read is successful, you will hear a single beep, the LED will go green, and the scan data will appear on the screen. If the scan is unsuccessful, you will hear multiple beeps, the LED will show red, and the message "Read failed" will appear on the screen. To use the NFC function on the KDC380, first be sure it is enabled. Press Menu, scroll to NFC Config, select Enable, and save and exit. There are also barcodes included in the Quick Manual to enable or disable this function. To read the NFC tag, hold it to the back of the scanner. It will beep once when the data is read. The KDC380 has a rechargeable 1100 mAh battery inside that can be replaced by unscrewing the back cover. We recommend replacing the battery yearly to ensure the longevity of your scanner. Replacement batteries can be sourced directly from our web store. The KDC380 charges via the Type-C USB port on the bottom of the scanner with the included cable. It also features pogo pins for wireless charging in the KDC380 charging cradles. Thank you for joining us today. If you have any questions or would like to learn more, including info about our SDK, please contact us using the information on the screen and in the links below.